Hey everyone! Today for art class we're going to be making a popsicle stick bird feeder, the perfect spring craft that birds will love. Here's everything you'll need today. A plate to put your paints on, some newspaper, a paintbrush, 25 popsicle sticks, some masking tape, a cup with some water in it, a paper towel, some glue, for this I'm using tacky glue, and some paints, any colors you like. Let's get started. I'm first going to put down my newspaper to protect my table from paint and glue. I'm now going to take 13 of my popsicle sticks to build the base for my bird feeder. I'm first going to take 11 of the popsicle sticks and line them up so they're all straight and even. Next, I'm going to attach them together with some masking tape. I'm going to place the masking tape in the opposite direction of how the popsicle sticks are lined up, so I tape them all together. I'm going to do this all the way down the popsicle sticks. If there's any masking tape hanging over the popsicle sticks, you can go ahead and rip it off. To make the bottom of the bird feeder really secure, I'm going to go ahead and attach 2 more popsicle sticks in the opposite direction of the previous popsicle sticks. I'm going to attach each of those popsicle sticks with 2 short pieces of masking tape. Once these 2 popsicle sticks are attached, it's going to create a nice solid bottom for the bird feeder. Next up, I'm going to start painting. The first thing I'm going to paint is the base we just created. I'm going to go ahead and paint the base one solid color. Remember, you can use any colors you like when painting these. You can also even alternate popsicle sticks with different colors. After my base is painted, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the paintbrush in the cup of water and dry it off with a paper towel. This way I'll have a nice clean brush to paint the rest of my popsicle sticks a different color. These remaining 12 popsicle sticks will become the sides of the bird feeder. I'm deciding to paint them a different color just to give my bird feeder some more style. But remember, you can use any colors you like, and you can even paint the whole bird feeder one solid color if you want. Once they're all painted, I'm going to let everything dry completely. Once all the popsicle sticks are dry, it's time to make the walls of the bird feeder. Each wall of the bird feeder is going to consist of 3 popsicle sticks. I'm first going to evenly line up 2 of the popsicle sticks and then place my tacky glue along where they meet in the middle. I'm then going to place the 3rd popsicle stick on top and press down firmly to secure it. Make sure with your other hand you're holding the bottom 2 popsicle sticks together so they don't slide apart. And there we have one of the sides of our bird feeder. We're going to do this process again for the other 3 sides. I'm going to go ahead and talk you through another side. First, we're going to put 2 of our popsicle sticks together, making sure they're lined up evenly, and then putting some glue in the middle where they meet. Then go ahead and add that third popsicle stick on top of the glue and press down firmly to secure it, making sure with your other hand you're holding the bottom 2 popsicle sticks together so they don't slide apart. When the walls are done, we're going to let them dry completely. Once the walls are dry, it's time to assemble the bird feeder. The first thing I'm going to do is rip off some short pieces of masking tape, and then I'm going to rip those pieces in half long ways. This masking tape is going to help attach the walls together as well as stabilize them. I'm going to be attaching the walls together near the ends of the popsicle sticks so they create a right angle. To do this, I'm first going to add some glue at the end of one of the popsicle stick walls. I'm then going to place another popsicle stick wall into the glue, and then I'm going to add some masking tape in the corner to make sure it stays secured. Make sure to add the masking tape on the inside part of the bird feeder. Try to make the masking tape fit nice and tight in the corner so it's as flat as possible. The masking tape helps hold the walls together so the glue can dry, but it also gives some more stability to the bird feeder overall. I'm going to go ahead and do this same process for the rest of the corners. Now that the walls are connected together, I can go ahead and attach the walls to the base. To do this, I'm first going to put some tacky glue along the bottom of all the walls. I'm then going to place the bottom of the bird feeder onto the glue, making sure that I place that color side down because that'll be the inside of the bird feeder and I want to make sure to see the color. I'm going to line it up best I can to make sure it's square and press down gently to secure it. I'm then going to let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. When it's dry, I'm going to take my paintbrush and paint the inside walls the same blue as I painted the outside. I'm just doing this to give it a more finished look. When it's dry, you can fill it with birdseed and stick it outside and wait to see what kind of birds come to eat from it. I hope you enjoy making your own popsicle stick bird feeder, and thanks for watching!